guys, I'm going to show you how to make sensory slime.
It's great messy play that's safe and easy to clean up. It's also cheap and easy, and you might already have the ingredients at home. All you need is corn flour and water. Put some corn flour into a container and slowly add water until it gets slimy. Just mix it together using your hands. If it's too runny, you can add more corn flour, and if it's too lumpy, you can add more water. You can also try adding food colouring, but this might make it a bit harder to clean up.
Thanks for watching.